it's Shelly. Welcome to my channel. I usually do all kinds of products unboxing and review. So in case you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe. So in today's video, I'll open some kids products. So let's open it and see. So in case you guys are looking for some kids product, then definitely this review will help you. Let's open it and see what are the products inside it and how it looks. So the first one is square chalk set. So let's open this one first. So this is the packaging. Yeah, this comes with like one duster. Oh, it looks so good. And this like chalk holder, you can see. And these are the chalk sheet. You can see. Like colorful chalks. So many colors. Do you like it?
Yes.
You like color? So you can write one. Yeah. Which color you can write here?
Yes.
A, B. So you can see, guys, it's so good. The color chalks are like really good. It's really dark and
Yes.
right. And it's the eraser. Look. Right. A, B. Nice. Nice. So you can see, this is like a really great one. So if you are looking for good chalks, these are like really colorful cuts.
Colors
Yeah, this has like two shades. One is this one.
This
And
What
yeah,
color is this?
this is a black color. Another set is here. So all are, yeah, a little different. So these are the sets. Yeah, and the chalks are like really deep, and for the kids fun activities, these are like really awesome. Chalk holder, you can see, guys. This is so okay. We'll write B L I P P I Blippy.
It's a Blippy.
Yeah. So this is like
Blippy.
yes, Blippy. So this is the chalk holder. So it's super easy. You just have to. So in one direction it will come out. I can see. Yeah, it's like a thread. Okay. So you just have to. It come out like this way. These two, and you just have to put the chalk here and put it. Then you just. You can see. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, I can see it's like a pen. So it's like really easy. So your hands will not get dirty, and you can use the chalk in a like clean way. I'm really happy with these chalks because they are looking like really colorful, and he likes it. And also this comes with the chalk holder and this duster. Both are like really cute, and yeah, they're working fine, and definitely these are like a great one. So in case you guys are looking for a kids color pencil, then definitely this review will help you. So let's open this color pencil. Oh wow, this comes with this sketchbook. Wow, this sketchbook is really great. This is like a really great quality, and this is this color pencil. So wow, it looks so. I really like to do sketching and all these things. So this is definitely a great product for me. So you can see the color pencils. Oh, they are like really great. Wow, this is like a great option, great one for your kids and for you also, for doing sketching and doing colorful fun and activity. These are like a great one for the kids. So they have like different pencils, I can see. So different regular pencil and colorful pencil, and I can show you. Yeah. Oh, the pencils are like a really great. Yeah, this is a great one. It comes with the also. Yeah, these are like a great one for the kids and for you also. If you are looking for a kids or for like sketching set, this one is highly recommended. This is a great one. And also comes with this sharpen your pencils, and also this nice pencil cutter. This one is yeah, you can use this pencil holder. If your pencil gets shorter, I think you can use this one. Yeah, this is good. Now this is the white one, white pencil. Yeah, white pencil. And these are some HB pencils. Yeah, so guys, if you're looking for a good pencil set, like sketching set, I would highly recommend this one. Like a really great set. And the packaging and the colorful set, like it comes with like all these colors you can see. So yeah, and the quality is like really nice. If you're looking for a good sketching set, this one is like a really great one. Look at the packaging. It's like a really looks really nice. Yeah, I love this one.